Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to change theme on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So press on to theme, open your theme app. Okay, then you get theme option, or the another way, open settings, scroll down, press on wallpaper and style, change wallpaper, scroll down, then you get from Galaxy theme, press on get more wallpaper, then you get theme option. Just press on and select any theme, press on the top, or if you want to find exact theme, go to search option and write theme name. Okay, and like I'm select any theme, like I'm select, press on download and press on apply. Okay, now successfully changed my theme, my home screen, lock screen and theme and cover screen.